Morning, once again.
Good morning, Mr.
This was Silas form. Let's move on. We move. Last week we talked about the constitution of home, blood circulation. Blood. How does the blood circulate through the body parts to the heart, from the heart to the heart? It becomes like a cycle. It becomes a cycle. It stops when a person is no longer breathing. It's no longer when you don't receive oxygen, meaning that the blood circulation has stopped. It has stopped. They have to show us this small diagram here. They say that the process of blood circulation. When they say the process of blood circulation, means that how does the blood move? How does the blood move? How does it circulate through the body parts, from the body parts to the heart, from the heart to the lungs, from the lungs to the heart back? Is it clear?
Yes.
This is the lungs, the heart, the body part. Meaning that the heart itself is in the middle of the part or the parts. Neither the lungs and the body parts. And the body, it works as the master. It works as the master of the circulation. Because every process takes place in the heart. Like previously we saw it, like everything comes through the heart, from the heart to the parts of the body. They are showing us the arrows. The arrows. Remember, we talked about the deoxygenated blood, and we talked about the oxygenated blood, and we asked ourselves that where does the deoxygenated blood come from? Where does it pass? That is not the voice we should use in a class. Make sure everyone should understand that it passes through their vena cava. Is there anyone of you who can go there and explain to us that diagram? Clear the simple diagram. What's your name? Nobody.
My name is Leandra, and I'm going to explain for you how the blood circulates. This is the heart, the body, and the lungs. The heart moves blood through here, then it is. The blood comes from here, and then it takes it right into the body. The body later sends it here, and the heart is taking it to the lungs, and the lungs brings it back to the heart, which means that this blood, it was deoxygenated from here, it went to the lungs. After getting to the lungs, it picked oxygen, and then it went to the lungs, which became oxygenated blood. That is how blood circulates.
For him. For the blood, the blood automatically is from the deoxygenated blood, but before it enters into the lungs, remember it's from the body parts, from the toes, from the legs, from the arms. Then it comes as deoxygenated. That's the blood without oxygen. Meaning that this blood comes from the body parts to the parts of the body through the vena cava. Through the vena cava, it flows to the left tip, to the right auricle, from the right auricle to the right ventricle, whereby that left ventricle pumps it to the pulmonary artery. So this is the symbol here that this comes from the body parts. From the body parts, this is a body part. You see, body from the body, the oxygenated blood here. When it comes here, means that it has entered the pulmonary artery. Once it comes to pulmonary artery, it goes up to the lungs. What does it go to the lungs? It goes to pick oxygen. This oxygen again comes back when it is now oxygenated. When it is oxygenated, it does not go direct to the heart because it doesn't have energy to take it to the parts of the body, meaning that the system comes back to the heart. That's why you see that they are separated into 4 parts. When it comes to the heart, meaning that it is already oxygenated, it contains oxygen. It contains
Oxygen.
From there, it comes back to the
Body.
But this left ventricle is what which pumps it through the aorta. Through the
Aorta.
which the aorta is that artery which takes blood to the parts of the body. Which is very simple diagram. Very simple diagram. We say that when you talk about the function of the heart, the only function of the heart, it is used to pump blood to all parts of the body. There is no other than pumping blood to the body. Maybe you can say it receives the oxygenated blood and releases the oxygenated blood. But the main function of the heart is to pump blood to all parts of the body. They can just say, maybe if they have like an exam, say, I'll name 3 importance of the heart. It pumps blood to the body, that's 1. It receives deoxygenated blood. It releases this oxygenated blood. Simple way in like a gentleman, and you manage to understand. And the blood flows through the right auricle. The right auricle receives the oxygenated blood through the
vena cava.
The other right auricle receives that blood. When it receives that blood, meaning that it is not going to take it itself, but it's just like giving to other parts, When it gives to the parts, meaning that also another part picks after picking, it gives it another person. It's like having a book, and I say, Sheza, give this book to the next person. I see the way it goes, also the blood is the way it goes through the parts of the heart. We go to the blood flows. The blood flows through the auricle, right auricle, and then to the right ventricle. This right ventricle is the one who pumps blood to the pulmonary artery. We are still with deoxygenated blood. Whereby they showed us that the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood. The right ventricle. Remember when you stand like this, you remember where those parts are? They are here. They are here where they are. For you stand and know that this is the heart, this is the right part. That the right ventricle pumps. The right
ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood through pulmonary artery to the lungs.
It pumps it through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Whereby what goes to the lungs is going to pick oxygen. It's like looking for the energy. When you are hungry and you go for breakfast or lunch, you're going to look for energy. Come back to the class and then start again. Meaning that also this blood goes to the lungs to pick some oxygen. Remember the exchange of respiration, it takes place in the lungs, whereby the lungs releases carbon dioxide and it receives the oxygen. Like that, it's also among it is respiratory system. And the blood releases carbon dioxide. The blood releases carbon dioxide to the lungs and picks up oxygen from the lungs. Meaning that this blood, when it reaches in the lungs, it releases carbon dioxide and picks oxygen, which is in the lungs. As we said, that the process of the respiratory system takes place in the lungs. Means that this blood picks oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The oxygenated blood flows through the lungs back to the heart through the pulmonary vein. Meaning that after receiving the blood containing the oxygen, it's not going to go back to the body part. Meaning it's just coming back to the heart. Wherever it comes back to the heart, it goes it passes through pulmonary vein and goes to left auricle, from left auricle to left ventricle. Very good. And he said that all arteries carry
except pulmonary artery.
deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood. And we say that all veins carry deoxygenated blood except which carries oxygenated blood, the pass. And we say that oxygenated blood flows from the lungs back to the heart through the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein, that's why we say that all the veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. This pulmonary vein picks the blood which is from the lungs. You remember it passes through the pulmonary artery, again back to pulmonary vein. It is then flows into the left auricle, then to left ventricle. As you saw that the left ventricle is one which pumps it to the aorta. The other big part which is on the top. The left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood through the aorta or part of the body as saturation takes place. As saturation takes place, it continues into the circulatory system. As circulatory system takes place, as we continue to breathe, as we continue to live, as we continue to live, it comes, it goes, it goes. As when it stops, also you stop breathing. You stop breathing. But you cannot stop breathing when the respiratory system takes place. The respiratory system and the circulatory system, they work together to make sure that the person continues to live.